Good afternoon, everybody. Today, I want to share with you guys a strategy that I have developed for creating large amounts of content using pillars of content and kind of creating multiple little videos, mini pieces, blog articles, posts, and things like that. I think that you're going to find this really effective for executing on and implementing in your own business. And man, it's going to save a lot of time. I am going to be leveraging ChatGPT to do this, but I'm going to show you guys the principle behind how we do this. And it is going to take a little bit of time, but compared to the amount of time that it would take to write this, I want you to just think about the time savings that you're going to do there. So very first and foremost, we're going to look at my pillar content piece. So this is a 43-minute video that I created. It's a full demo that kind of dives into the Systems Accelerator Manager. I go into each feature and I talk about the value of it to real estate agents. If you're interested in it, I'll throw that link for the video down below. I'll also throw it in a little card right here so you can take a look at it. And if you're interested in a piece of real estate specific software to help you create custom resources for your business, this is the app for you, the Systems Accelerator Manager. But I took this piece of content and I went through and I chopped up all of the most valuable pieces and I turned it into little micro videos. So you see this one's a minute, this one's 6 minutes, this one's 57 seconds. It's about 32 videos total. And I've got them scheduled over the next 2 months. So you're going to notice on this channel that we are going to start dripping out content that is going to both help YouTube recognize, hey, this is an active channel. And we do a couple things to really make sure we do that. We post at the same time on each of these, and that's 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. And you want to post multiple times a week. Ideally, if you were able to really crank this out, you would post multiple times a day, maybe a 10 a.m. and a 3 p.m. And you'd have 2 or 3 videos. Not quite there. This operation is mostly just me. And so 2 to 3 per week. And, we're going to run this live. I truthfully could have taken all 32 videos and truncated them down into like a month span, but I spread it out a little bit more. And so now we've got video scheduled. That's awesome. But what do we do next? Well, next what we want to do is we want to go ahead and I always just hover over, right click, open a new link. And I basically opened all 32 of these videos and repeated this process. So step one is to grab the headline of the video, the title, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to click into the description. And previously, you would hit these 3 dots and you would be able to grab the transcript of this video. Well, they've shifted it a little bit. So you click into the description, scroll all the way down and click this show transcript. Now, what it's going to do from there is YouTube is going to bring up the transcript. Now, I will note that timestamps typically are toggled, but you can hit the 3 dots and remove those timestamps. So now from here, what I've done is I've gathered the title and I've gathered the transcript and then I put it into a document. Now, could I have put it into an Excel spreadsheet? Yeah, absolutely. Could I have put it in a number of other places? Absolutely. But for now, I've got all of these housed in a document. So what I'm going to do with these transcripts next, I have my video, I have my micro videos, and now I have all of the transcripts. And you might see where I'm going with this. So now what I'll do is I'll take each of these transcripts and I'll copy them over into ChatGPT, and I will have ChatGPT help me build out content specifically for our Reddit page, the System Accelerator. Now, this is a community that I am building out right now. This is giving me the opportunity to build out a little bit more long form content and really dive into the nitty gritty of the System Accelerator, which is the category of tools the Systems Accelerator Manager falls under. It's an AI-powered tool designed to create, refine, house, but most importantly, use data inside of the system. You think about a CRM system, it holds lots of data from contact information to maybe details you've learned along the way that help you build a better relationship, but then it's just holding it. It's not doing anything with it. What makes a System Accelerator different is it's actually going to use this data and it's going to help you in your business from it. And that's what phase 3 of SAM is all about, is building out the Systems Accelerator Manager, SAM, to allow you to take that data inside of it. And it's going to use it. It's going to help build some coaching opportunities for you. And I'm sharing about it all on this Reddit. If you're a Reddit user, feel free and hop over reddit.com/r/systems accelerator. I'll throw that link down in the description as well. So now we've got all of our content being built, and I'm going pretty well, just one transcript at a time. I'm taking the transcript, I'm plugging it into ChatGPT, and I'm asking it to build me out a Reddit post. Now, from there, I go into Reddit and I will write the post. I'll rewrite what ChatGPT has given me, and then I'll schedule it. So now I've got YouTube content, I've got YouTube mini content, I've got Reddit posts, and those are all scheduled. Again, we're playing into this concept of the algorithm. You have to feed the algorithm, right? We need to be posting constantly so that it can reward us with more people seeing it. And more people seeing it means more leads visit our website. More leads visiting our website means we have the potential to convert them into customers. Now, for me, that means real estate agents coming and giving our piece of software a try. For you, that's going to mean helping engage and inform and work with leads and turning them into real estate customers, whether it's on the buying side or the selling side. And I would wager that there's a specific area of real estate that you are really good at helping people with. So make video, that seems to be the predominant form of media that most people like to consume, but we also want to have multiple ways for them to consume it. And so now we have a written form in a long blog article style. Now, the reason I like Reddit is because a lot of people will go to Google and they'll search for something and a Reddit post will pop up and then they'll follow the Reddit link. So this gives us an opportunity to kind of leverage search engine traffic using Reddit, or maybe they just go straight to Reddit. But now we've got this Reddit post, and then what we can do after that is we can take those Reddit posts, plug them back into ChatGPT, and ask it to start building us out content for our different social media platforms. Now, what I like to do is I like to take a Reddit post and I like to distill it into, say, 8 to 10 posts that I can then go onto Facebook and post. So I'll post onto our Facebook page, Workflow Secrets. If you're not already following us, feel free and follow us. And then I will also post on our LinkedIn page. And if I can pull up LinkedIn real quick while I'm just kind of talking around in circles, our LinkedIn page is another page. Now, the power in using both of these different pages, LinkedIn, obviously for me, I'm going to be speaking to business owners and business focused individuals like you, the real estate agents, right? Now, for you, maybe LinkedIn's not the right spot. Maybe Facebook is where you're able to hold more value. Maybe you're working on Twitter. There's lots of different avenues that you can do this, but we're taking large video content, we're cutting it down into small videos. We're taking those small videos, we're gathering those transcripts. We're gathering those transcripts, creating long form posts, the Reddit posts, and then we're taking those long form posts and we're turning it into social media posts that we can share. So now do you see how this process is able to create lots of different content that can engage in different ways with our audience? It can start giving them information, giving them advice, helping them out. And it's not just us sharing another photo of a property. It's not just us asking for advice on how to buy or sell or something like that. We're giving valuable content and we're able to do it off of one piece of content. Now, if you think about this, now all I have to do is maybe spend one day writing one large piece of content per month. And then I can schedule all of this content out for the rest of the month. And you could do the exact same thing. So we are ultimately saving a lot of time, and we're doing it leveraging AI in the process. So this is something really cool that I have started doing in our business over here, and maybe you'll get to watch it unfold. But I definitely think that if I were to be doing this for my real estate business, this would be an excellent way for me to start gathering content, start creating my own sphere of expertise, and be able to start to share it on different platforms. So hopefully this is helpful for you. If you are interested in taking a look at the Systems Accelerator Manager, I'll throw the link down below. You can also watch our full demo. That link will be in that card as well as down below. And other than that, it was just a fun little micro clip. I was sharing it with an accelerator that I'm a part of, and all of the folks in there seem to be really excited by this idea. Seemed pretty, pretty easy a concept for me, but I guess it's not something that most folks are typically thinking about. So I thought I'd share with you. But let me know down in the comments. Is this something you're doing? Is this something you've thought about doing? And how are you executing? How are you playing into the algorithm? I unfortunately have to play into the algorithm too. And I will talk to you very soon.